I hope you guys had a great night. Let's see what we have going on here today. So, looking at GJ, before we actually do, we got about an hour for London session open. Give me a second here, guys. All right, so looking at GJ here, we're currently in an uptrend, so we'll see when London session opens if we actually gonna continue bullish. So buys above 162,200 on GJ, above this resistance here. All right, and we got sales below the support here. We got our Asian low here, so we got our Asian low here, and I believe this was give me a second, let's see. Yep, and then we got Asian high here. So once we break above this Asian high, we should continue to break above this Asian high. We should continue pushing up, except if we reject it then. But until then, we'll see what happens. And we could actually be able to take sales here if we reject, depending on the kind of candle and the kind of entry we get. We could take sales from even this resistance back to this support here. So we'll see what happens. But until that happens, we're gonna have sales below 161,200. Because that's actually the most recent support right there. So we'll see what GJ decides to do today. Good morning, Other Flow. Good morning, Florine. Good morning, Paul Pav. Hey, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. All right, let's take a look at EJ. Looking at EJ here, we got Asian highs and we got Asian lows right here. So buys above 136, sells below 134,900, 134,800 right there. So it's basically the same setup with GJ. So we shall see what happens. All right. What's wrong with the music? Alright, that's basically what we're looking at for EJ. Good morning, Dopex. Good morning, Patel. Good morning, Rara. Good morning, Rico. All right. Let's take a look at CJ. These buys, I would have taken it on CJ because it's about what? About 30 to 40 pip range here back to this resistance. I don't like to take trades an hour before any session opens. So we'll see what CJ does. Buys above 104. Man, the JPY buys this morning, man, I missed it, especially freaking GJ. I was like, man, I wish I saw this setup. I kind of saw CJ though, but I don't know, I just didn't want to take it. I was waiting to take GJ and then I freaking missed it. So I've not taken any trades since the London session we had yesterday, which is very good. Good morning, Perry. Thank you for subscribing, Jake. You find it harder to find setups? Really? Let's look at AED/JPY. Man, what's going on with the music today?
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me.
AJ buys above 92, 500, 92, 600. Sells below 91, 800, 91, 700.
That's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high. But now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street.
Alright.
That good is going down like it's on a need to be.
Like something changed here.
I can still feel locked up like the head of a rock.
Alright. Good morning, Agon. Good morning, Trillis. Good morning, Sarath Kumar. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Yakbo. Good morning, Hector. Oh, let's take a look at GU. Just in case JPY pairs decides to be funny here. So GU buys above 121,900 and sells below 121,400. We got Asian highs and Asian lows. So if we break these Asian highs, we should be heading back to the support and resistance here. So we'll see. Uh, GU. But I'm expecting a downtrend continuation because looks like we have a very nice downtrend line going on here on GU. So we'll see. We'll see if we're gonna continue bearish or we're gonna change. We're gonna have a trend change. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right. That's GU, guys. I'm good, Hector. About yourself? All right. Do you guys want me to leave these trend lines on the chart, or we should just delete the trend lines? Is the trend line distracting you guys? If it is, let me know and I'll just take them off. Hey, good morning, Andres. Good morning, Ekine. You took a buy on CJ? Alright, very nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Da, 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 da.
I'm high off a round of applause, taking the cash to deposit. All of that talking is polished. Straight out the gate, they sing praise, and I'm unapproachable, saving. You tell me shit, I've been on one. Losing my grip and I'm slipping. You still alive, but ain't living. Anxiety fall through the cripple me. Your calls going missing. The devil busy, he tempt me. Too much elixir, my enemy. In my mind, it's like 10 of me. They don't sound like your symphony. Sucking all of my energy. I'm not asking for empathy. Unless it's for the babies of the street, they a product of call it. Reality is running up to robbery of my sleep. The world they cold as gravity is pushing down, it's hard to breathe. Still it's solid on one knee. My pen is hollow, let it bleed. Trying to convince me that you give a fuck about my needs. How you finna fix an issue y'all don't even see? You convince me with them empty gestures. I do more to get by without it. I'm a living legend. You say you was trying to die. I'ma need you by my side. I've been living on the edge, just trying to get it together. Tell me, can you hold me down? Tell me, can you hold me down?
Gotta put it where this is.
I could really use your presence. Give mine in return. I know everything been hella hectic. But that body so angelic, pull it quick, make you forget things for a minute. Take it slowly when I'm in it, feel the flow. Take all the tension that you pent up and expend it. Don't pretend like you ain't worth way more than everything I got. You need to stop it. When I'm with you, it's no limitation. You playing games, give me attention.
Alright, looks like we actually rejecting this trend line here. So we'll see if we're gonna keep rejecting it or we're just gonna come down. Kind of do with EJ also, so we'll see. We'll See if we're gonna eventually break it. If we do, we should break this sub resistance also. Good morning, Jake Oresh. We got about 35 minutes for London Open. My worst experience? I got a few of them when I was blowing accounts. So those are my worst experience when I was blowing accounts. And I think it's the same for everyone. I mean, I don't think there's another worst experience in trading other than you blowing your account. If this was London Open with volume, I'll be looking to take this sell right now. But as it is, I'm just gonna wait. How much is a reasonable profit off of 1,000 account weekly? I mean, it is possible for you to double it in a week. That is absolutely possible. But I will say minimum half. You should at least be able to turn $1,000 to 1,500 in a week. You should be able to do that. $1,000, you should be able to turn it to 1,500 in 1 week. So I'll say at least $500 at least. What's gonna be your goal, CJ? 500 or 1,000? I'll say shoot for the minimum. I'll say shoot for the minimum. I mean, if you're going by 1% of your risking 1% of your account size, so that means if you risk 1% of $1,000, then you're looking at $10. So that means you can trade a standard lot size. So I'll say if you have $1,000 and you really know what you're doing, I'll say go with minimum of $5 lot size to $10. If it was me, my lot size is gonna be between 0.50 to 1 standard. You you do 0.5 to begin. All right, yeah, that's nice. That's not bad. You have $30 account. Any tips? Oh man, I usually, man, I don't know. It's just too small. I don't know about the $30 account. Dope X Phoenix. Sorry, I can't help you on that one. Oh yeah, yeah, Milan. Yes, you have to also put your stop loss into consideration. Um, I'll say do not use more than 20 pips stop loss. If you have a trade setup and you look at the your entry and your entry is going to be your stop loss is going to be bigger than 20 pips, do not take that trade. But you can always do what you want, except if you're like freaking very confident in that trade, then you can take it if you want. Because if your stop loss is 20 pips and you used $5, I mean, if you get stopped out, you only lost $100. So that's why I actually recommend at least $5, at least, and one standard maximum. If you use one standard, then if you lose the trade with a 20 pip stop loss, you're gonna lose 200. Now your account is back to 800 dollars, and now you got to work on checking it back up. But if you do lose and you lose $200, now your account is at 800. Obviously, you cannot use the same lot size anymore because you don't have the same account size. You're gonna have to lower your lot size until you bring your account back up again. That's the mistakes a lot of people make, a lot of traders make. I used to make the same mistake as well. Now, now you have $800. You cannot use the same lot size anymore because you have to work on bringing that account back up. So you're gonna have to lower your lot size until you win your first trade. Let's say and you take it back up to 900. You can keep using the same lot size until you really bring your account back up. Then you can increase your lot size, and then you're gonna get to a point in your trading account where you won't even have to increase your lot size anymore. You can have a fixed lot size. Fixed lot size. CJ, I don't know anything about binary or pocket option. Sorry, I can't help you out on that one. $10 account. Yeah, 0.01, I guess. Oh, Jake, you man, get the hell out of my channel. Excuse my language, guys. That's why you subscribe, so you can do all that. You're trying to go at 20K. Oh man, you got a very decent account size. Not even decent, that's a very good account size. Long positions on what pair? Damn, you lost 1.5K with pocket options? Yeah. I don't know anything about options. I don't like options or binary. To me, it's just like fast money. If you're not careful, you're gonna freaking blow your account. You're just gonna mess yourself up. Fast money is not good. It's not good at all. Uh, long, you mean only taking long positions with your $1,000 account? Is that what you're asking? Because I'm not sure. 100 to $200. That's only a practice practice live account if you're a beginner. Yeah, because most people can afford to lose 100 to $200. Yeah, you can do that, CJ. If you only want to focus on taking long positions, yeah, you can do that. You can do whatever you want. What market we're looking at here? I mean, we have GJ right now. Yeah, you can only focus on taking long positions. You can do that if you want. You still have your funded account, Tony Gold. Do I think it's safer? I mean, whether you focus on taking long positions or taking short positions, you're still gonna lose. So I wouldn't say it's safer because I've actually never focused on trading that way. So I wouldn't know. We're currently bullish, so we're looking to see bullish continuation when London opens because we're bullish. So let me explain why we're bullish. And if you're actually looking at this chart and you cannot tell we're bullish, it means you got a lot of work to do. But let me do some explanation for you. So trend started from here. We went up, price created a higher high, right? We came down, created a higher low, right? And now we're trying to go back up here. So the goal here is to see if we're actually going to break this resistance. But if we do break this above this trend line, we should break above this break and close above this resistance. Then we absolutely have a bullish continuation at that point. That's what we're waiting for here. So we bullish. Higher high, higher low, and now if we break above this most recent higher high, then that means we've created a new high. So that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're waiting for. So we'll see if we're gonna get it. Um, oh, you're getting the 25K funded account on Friday? Very nice. Oh no, you getting a 25K withdrawal or you getting a 25K funded account? Which one? Whichever one it is. Anyways, congratulations. That's very nice. There's still a chance for bearish move on this. Of course, anything can happen in the market. Of course. Man, I haven't looked at the news today. Let me see what's going on with the news. Let's take a look at Forex Factory for today. I'm gonna wait for it to finish loading. So this bullish candle here on GJ has no bottom wick at all, so you could still flip bearish here, and we can also continue bullish. Um, we don't trade GA over here, Amir. All right. Any major news event today? No major news event until New York session. We kind of have medium impact news 15 minutes after London session opens. All right, EJ flip bearish. Oh, you're buying a 25K funded account. Okay. I feel you. This has been a long journey. Good morning, Joshua. Oh, nice. You got your magic keys. Oh, you got it messed up. No, I actually don't use magic keys. I actually don't. Alright, we got 12 more minutes here.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in it teed up. I turn them to
Delete
vegan.
this
I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I be
uptrend line here, because if we do break this support, we're coming down.
Yeah, I know it's my season, my family the reason I be who I'm being. Solid. Lately I'm pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me in trading size. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I've been a head case. Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Virtue into the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family.
Let's take a look at this on the 4-hour, guys.
Don't trust nobody. Now she never did want me, she talking real naughty. Now I ain't sorry, been slept on they grudge.
London session opens. If this candle flips bearish, we should be heading down. But stop loss is just too big, so we're just gonna wait for a closure.
I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my whole globe on the fritz. I ball up my fist, part of my glitz, stick a part of me sick.
Do you guys have any running trade? Do you guys have any running trade? Get sell on GG running, very nice. Hopefully it continues dropping when London session opens. So what we've basically created here now, since we've created a lower low, now we have a lower high here. So we could be looking at a self continuation here, guys. You're long on AU? I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole, I've been taking mines. Niggas scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I've been a head case. Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Virtue into the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand. London Open, I would have been in this cell right now, but I just gotta wait for London Open. London Open. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and then we'll see what happens after that. But once London opens, if we keep dropping, my final target is gonna be right here at this support. That's where my final target is gonna be. Two more minutes, and we'll see what London session brings. I believe Tokyo session opens at 6 p.m. CST, 7 p.m. EST, I believe. And then that's 4 p.m. PST, just in case your time zone is specific. There's a we have GBP news. We don't have GBP news. We kind of have a medium impact news in 15 minutes. Okay, is this candle actually gonna continue down, or is it gonna flip bullish and continue pushing up? I have a feeling it might take a while before we take a position here today. Oh, you're in Nigeria. I'm not sure what time is gonna be out there when Asian session opens. Just Google it. Just Google it, Ekene. got PMI on GBP in 90 minutes. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, I see it now. All right, it's a low impact news. You're right. It might not start moving until after that news. It might not, and it could, because it's not really a high impact news. It's highlighted as red on trade view. Oh, let me see what it says on my FX book. Let me see what it says on my FX book. Alright, if it keeps dropping, we just gotta wait and see if we're gonna break these Asian lows. Well, looks like it's gonna keep dropping, guys. Mm, what is this economic calendar? Alright. Alright, so according to my FX book here, we got two GBP news. It's actually the same though. One of them is low and one of them is high. Yeah, so one of them is low, one of them is high, according to my FX book. I mean, you can't take no entries right now. You already have it. You already have a late entry. Taking an entry now on EJ, you're just freaking. I don't know if I should call it gambling, because now we dropping this candle right here was the definitely the entry right over here, but obviously it happened before London opened, so that's actually why I'm still not in EJ. So now I gotta wait and see if we're gonna actually break these Asian lows. If we break these Asian lows, then we should continue coming down. That's all I'm waiting for right now. CJ short. You just gotta wait and see if he's gonna break this low. Because this candle has no top wick. It can freaking flip bullish. You have a call on EJ. Call. Doesn't that mean, isn't that buys in options and then put means sales? I really don't know anything about options, so I'm just guessing at this point. Oh, okay. Hey man, I haven't looked at GU since London opened. All right, see what GU is gonna do. GJ flipped bullish, rejected his support. That's why you gotta be patient, guys. Once London opens, especially when you actually don't have an entry, you just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. You just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. Hey, Sparkle B, how you doing? Shout out to all the moms who trade.
Watch it like it back to the bank, tell her on us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay, okay. Alright, yeah. Okay, okay. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Yeah, and I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low, so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10.
If this flower had the bottom wick, I would jump in the buys. So, but for now, I'm just gonna wait until we break this Asian highs. The withdrawals on Hanko trade, how long do they normally take? So if you do it on a weekend, for example, let's say you do it on Friday, you're probably not going to get it until Sunday because they have to approve it and stuff. So you're probably not going to get it until Sunday before the market opens on Sunday. That's when you're going to get it. But if you do it during the week, sometimes you get it the same day. If you don't get it the same day, you definitely get it within 24 hours. But if you also withdraw during the week, 90% of the time you're gonna get it the same day, depending on the time you do it. Oh yeah, you should change your broker, Augusta. You can use the Anchor Trade link in the link down below in the description. But if you do, based on your account size, you should either go with the ECN account type or ECN Plus, based on how much you're gonna deposit. And I recommend 1 to 500 leverage. You're seeing a drop on gold? You know I don't trade gold. Yeah, I dropped Hugo's Way towards the end of last year. That was when I dropped Hugo's Way, and I just started using Hanko Trade. Yo, Roseberg, how you doing? GJ should actually continue pushing up. Is he gonna break this resistance? That's the question. Am I with am I with any funded firms? No. No, I'm not. Is it now you're about to start getting real withdrawals? Yes. You got 15 pips on AU? Nice. Very nice. We'll see how this kind of closes here on GJ. Yo, Lorenzo. What's up, boss? Yep, let's walk. So we absolutely still bullish on GJ, but once if we do break that trend line, downtrend line I had earlier, then we should continue pushing up on GJ. All right. GU candle closes in 10 minutes. This 30-minute candle. So we're gonna see if it's actually gonna close above here. Nice. We have a bullish flip on the 4-hour on GU. All right. GU not looking bad, not looking bad. We should definitely go up on GU. So I'm gonna be watching EJ, GJ, and GU. So for now, I'm gonna watch GU here. See if we're gonna close above here. 222. Well, if GU closes like this, that would be nice. We'll have a very nice entry. So we got what? We got 8 more minutes here. You sending me a chart in Discord? Is it GU? J Koresh? Let me see. Let me see real quick. You sent it to the general chat room? What pair is this, J Koresh? Is this Euro JPY? Okay, Euro JPY. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good, but it looks definitely, absolutely looks bullish. What time frame is this? Mm. Oh, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, buys definitely. According to this chart, buys absolutely looks legit on EJ. Yeah, buys is definitely looks legit on EJ. Oh, you're waiting for the break of the previous highs? I don't want GU to close too far though. But we also have this wick over here. Yeah, this is actually better. Yeah. Alright. That's much better. Yep, that's why I didn't take EJ yet. Actually, EJ and GJ, that's why I didn't take them yet. There's a resistance on EJ at 162 and resistance on EJ at 136. That's why I didn't take it yet. But it does looks good for a buy. For buys, both GG and EJ. Are we going to eventually break this previous highs for a bullish continuation? That's the question. That's the question. I know, right? They both round numbers. Yeah. GU is looking good. I like this 4 hour candle in GU. Damn, 2 minutes and you want to spike up now, GU? 2 minutes, you want to spike up now? 2 minutes before you close, really? Wow. All right. 1 more minute to see if we're gonna have a entry on GU. All right, Akine, I see you. You're killing it. You're killing it today. Akine is killing it today, guys. I'm not in yet, guys. Man, smash that like button for me, guys. 180 people here. We only got 50 likes. You guys can do better than that. Don't worry, guys. I already told you guys that we're gonna smash NFP week, and we will. So smash that like button. Smash that like button so we can win this trade. So we can win this trade when we get in. Not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. It's right there on the screen. It says I'm not in yet, guys. So you know I'm not in. Still waiting. GJ trying to reject that resistance, huh? If I trade NAS 100, it's only NYS after NYSE open. I don't trade it anytime else. And I actually just trade that on my own. Let me actually put this where you guys can see it. Yeah, there's no way you can see it now. In fact, I'm gonna increase the size before you guys start asking me, am I in yet? That's big enough. Alright, there you go. Now you can see that I'm not in. This is just gonna be a 20 pip stop loss if we do get in buys here. Thank you for subscribing, D Reactions. Thank you, D reactions. Patience is the name of the game. When you play the Forex game, you gotta be very patient. You think, you think and you strategize, but don't overthink though. Oh, thank you for subscribing, Michael Santiago. Wake up if you're sleeping. Wake up if you're sleeping. Real hustlers don't sleep. We only take cat naps. So wake up. You were sleeping with one eye open. Oh, guess I'm sorry, man. Man, I didn't know your. Oh wow, you're trying to teach your baby how to trade. Very nice. Teach them early. But sorry, I woke your baby up though. All right. Uh, GJ is rejecting this resistance very nicely here. I wonder what GE is gonna do. We'll see. I said trading while babysitting. Oh, you babysitting. Oh man. What song, Marcus? Is it the Real Hustlers Don't Sleep? We take cat naps all week. Is that the one you're talking about? Yes, I'm tall. I'm 6 feet 2. I don't think I can remember what that song is called. But let me see if I can find it here. Let me see if I can find it here. Hold on, while before I start looking for that song, I'm gonna set my alert on GU. Actually, I'm gonna put it down a little bit here. Just in case this candle decides to flip. All right. Damn, I can't remember the title of that song, man. Is it this one? No, not this one. It's not that one. Nope, not that one either. I know what the beat sound like. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this one. I'm not sure, but let's see. That G is play. All right, while we're waiting on GU, so if you're looking for a good reputable broker because your broker sucks, you're paying too much spreads, you're paying too much commissions, then I definitely recommend Anchor Trade. With Anchor Trade, you can either use MT5 or MT4. And I absolutely recommend you start using MT5 anyways because very soon we're not going to be able to use MT4 anymore. They're actually going to discontinue MT4 and then you're going to have to use MT5. So if your broker doesn't have the MT5 platform, then I really suggest you switch. Now with Anchor Trade, you have two different account types here. You have ECN and ECN Plus. These are the two account types I recommend. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. If you have less than $1,000, go with ECN. Anchor Trade has low spread starting from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage up to 1 to 500, which is the leverage that I use. And Anchor Trade has very good, great low commissions. And you can also apply for the matching deposit bonus if you want. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. So if you're interested in signing up with Anchor Trade, you can use my link down below in the description. Now let's get back to trading and see if we can make some money today and keep going with the winning streak. So GU is still playing. Oh, I don't think this is the song. This is not the song. The beat of that song is way better than this. Or is it even? Is it?
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the
No,
work in.
it's
You can find me
definitely
with a curtain.
NBHD
In position
Nick.
like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curse split. She know that I'm worth it. I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack. Quick stack. Think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zach. We go forever now. We go forever now. You know that I'm a
Yep, I think this is it. Yep, I think this is the song. Yep, this is the song. This is definitely the song. I'm 90% positive this is the song. You remember too, Tony? uh, 1 hour. We'll see how this 1 hour candle closes here. Hold on, did he say did you say that advanced yet? I didn't hear it. Did I miss it? Is it this one? I didn't hear it. Did you say it yet, guys? Catnaps all week. We lost less than sleep. Catnaps all week. I don't know. Maybe I missed it. I guess I missed it. But actually, his songs are the best one here. So I'm just gonna play his songs. I'm just gonna play his songs. I'm just gonna play his songs. This is looking like a slow London session, isn't it? Um, Hey Demiano, how you doing? I'm gonna get me a bottle of water real quick, guys. I'm gonna get a bottle of water real quick.
Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty popping. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it, but I really got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How long have been doing this? 6 years? Yeah, attraction ad spot, yes, that could be the case here. We might even have a better entry here if he decides to continue pushing up. What make me want to get in for buys? You see sales? We'll see. We got a demand set up right over here. So we really should continue pushing up. So we'll see. Have I always done this strategy? No. When I started trading, no, this was not my strategy. When I started trading on my own, I was using indicators. Ichimoku cloud actually. I was using Ichimoku cloud with moving average. I was using the cloud just by itself. I'm gonna move my entry down here. Actually somewhere over here. If this candle, if this, excuse me guys, if this candle does not give me a bottom wick, I'm not taking it. See the 4 hour, 5 minute. Put it back up here. Just looking at the 1 minute. Man, man. Alright, this actually does not look bad. Thinking about taking it based off the 4 hour bullish flip. If it does come back to this entry here, well, we'll see. And then I'm gonna let it do what it do. Right.
lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear I got it with a
Yeah,
whole
no
me.
bottom wick on the 1 hour either.
Anything you ever showed me, I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I chase on them. The highs with the lows. That's life these days. World chained up, he
If I do take this entry with no bottom wick here, I'm absolutely gonna minimize my lot size. And I suggest you guys do the same if you want to take it with me. But until then, we're still looking to see what it's gonna do here.
Guess it's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some
If
things
it
gon'
gets
change.
back to where my entry is gonna be, then I'll get in and minimize my lot size.
Now I'm on top, no stage fright. Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador.
But I would like it to flip bearish and then flip bullish and give us a bottom wick. Okay, 5 minute candle open. What's that looking like?
World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy.
In the next 30 minutes to an hour, we should see some volume on GJ and possibly on EJ too. All right. Bustayo is yelling by. Not yet. Um, GJ, I'm still expecting buys, but above this resistance though. If it does not close above, I'm not taking anything on GJ. Alright, this 5 minute candle is starting to look nice. Nope, I'm not in. I'll definitely tell you guys. Alright, if this candle, 5 minute candle flips bullish, I'm gonna take it. But my entry is still gonna be on the 30 minute time frame though. But I'm just looking at the 5 minute right now to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna react. The 4 hour looks nice. This 4 hour candle just signifies a rejection over here at all these wicks here to the left. Support zone right there, came back down, rejected it, flip. So we really should continue bullish on GU. We really should continue bullish on GU. All right, I took it, guys. I took the buys on GU. I'm in buys on GU. Took the buys. I'm in buys on GU. Lot size definitely minimized. All right. We're in GU, so I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I might have to take a look at JPY pairs come New York session because I don't think they're gonna do anything for. Well, let's see what happens in the next 30 to an hour though. What is buy and what is sell? We can't see this chart. I don't know. I don't know what you mean.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Don't shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644.
This is absolutely a risky trade. That's why I said you guys should lower your risk, just like me.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Because if this candle was a bullish flip with a bottom wick, I definitely would have used my regular lot size on this trade. Or even if it was a bullish flip on the 1 hour. So since it wasn't, I decided to lower my lot size.
Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. I'm in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. I'm in my car and the giddy up.
You registering for ankle trade, my leg. Alright, try it out. Your entry is at 1.22040. There's a resistance. You mean this support over here? J Koresh, are you still here? You took sales on GU? Alright. You took a sell on GU? You don't trust your head much, but you trust your system? Well, I guess one of us is gonna be right.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop.
But if this candle flips bearish and it doesn't close bullish, I'm gonna close half. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll leave the rest running and then see what the next candle is gonna do.
Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make it wait. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No.
I'm currently down 4 pips.
Never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it. Out of all the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No. I won't stop. I won't stop. I keep God first. I see evil when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it out. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it out. You living boring, I'm gonna set it out. Shooting them scoring, I'm gonna set it out. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it out. Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in. I got you, but you know I'm texting like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though, we don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball. Coach keep me in the game, Curry deadly with the range. I keep looking in the mirror like, who is he? I'm insane. Who am I? He insane. Guess I am the one to blame. What's done is done, won't change. Time to live up to my name. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I'm made for a while. No sleep in the while, I won't fall. No sleep in the while, I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil, when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shoot when I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers touring, I'm gonna set it off. Told me baby, meet me at the bank. Told me mama, I'ma break.
Oh, your friend also took sell on GU.
Hard times couldn't make the rent. Working hard couldn't save a cent. Lonely nights, just me and God. Swear to him, always made the ends. Grab a paper, see the news. Hate coming by the tools. Walk a mile in my shoes. Something you can never do. Got my back against the wall. Bet I always pull through. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Sending shots, I block 'em. Superman with the moves. Rock 'em, sock 'em, drop pop 'em. Play to win, never lose. Run it up, I topple. Play for belly too. I hip hop or pop 'em. Anything I could do. Real will be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this here, I made for a while. No sleep in the while, I won't fall. No sleep in the while, I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil, when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting, I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers touring, I'm gonna set it off.
You use market sentiment. I mean, I don't believe in that thing 100%. I've went with the market sentiment a few times, and in fact I lost more than I won. So my opinion, just go with price action. Even if you lose, stick to price action. You're not gonna always win it all. Retail sentiment or not. So it only works in day trading, not scalping. Uh-huh. Alright guys, I closed half here. I just closed half at negative 13 pips.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing,
I closed half at negative 13 pips, guys.
carols singing, favorite
I'm just let it do whatever it wants to do now.
They say say Nick, but you gotta be
Because this candle has no top wick at all.
racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say
Previous candle, no bottom wick. This candle has no top wick either.
frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say say Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donald, Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no French toast, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite
Alright, I'm closing, guys.
diamonds blinging,
I closed out of it.
favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah.
So took 18 pips.
My sack hurt my back, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said
I'm out of GU, guys.
in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Alright. Alright, we've just had our first loss for the week. Oh, what the hell? Okay, I've been doing this wrong. I need to fix the date. Alright, we took buys. I guess I'll call that a fake out. Damn, what's wrong with this? Alright. Half risk. Uh, negative 18. Alright. 64 losses. Alright, and bam. We would have been stopped out anyways, so. Alright, I'm gonna wait 20 more minutes here, see what, if we can get anything here, and if not, then I'm just gonna see you guys tomorrow. And that means today I'm definitely gonna be trading New York session since I took a loss during London. So New York session, here I come. USD JPY is printing. Very nice. Right? We already knew before we took it anyways. So I'm not even tripping about this loss because I minimized my risk. So just decided to risk it and it didn't work out. Uh, I'm gonna wait and see what EJ does here. um, I don't know how to make that spreadsheet. I'm not gonna lie to you. A fellow trader actually gave it to me. I asked him for it, and he gave it to me. He actually, I mean, I don't know if he made it or someone made it for him, but he offered to share it with me. Doo, 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 doo. I don't think these JPY pairs are gonna do anything here for London. They might do something pre-New York though. Um, I would look at this candle. No bottom wick and it's freaking dropping like this. Probably the negative news on GBP. All right. I should share my chart. You mean the spreadsheet? Of course, if that's what you're looking for, I have no problems with that. I'm just gonna wait for freaking YouTube and this spreadsheet to load here. Mm, Alright, it's coming, coming, coming. What did you drop, J Koresh? What did you drop on the Discord? Man, I dislike it whenever you take a loss on live stream like this and then all of a sudden you freaking suck at trading. Just when you're winning, people don't say nothing, but as soon as you lose, oh man, it's as if you're not allowed to lose. Man, YouTube is freaking tripping. I'm trying to send this spreadsheet to the chat, guys, and YouTube is freaking tripping here. Alright, here we go. right, there you go. That's it right there. And I'm actually gonna pin it as well so anyone can click on it and go take a look at it. All right, that's it right there. Yeah, big Zot. I already knew what might happen with the GU buys strictly because of that previous bullish candle. That's why I told everyone to lower their risk, and that's what eventually happened. Thank you, Jacob. Um, I don't see any trades here, so let's see what happens in the next 6 minutes. Damn, Rikine. Hold on, wait. How many pairs did you look? So you over traded today, Rikine. You said you took EJ, you took GJ. That's already enough right there. And then you took gold again. Gold for that matter. For that matter. 80% of your profit. Damn, that sucks. So never ever again. That was funny. Sorry, I'm laughing. It's just funny the way you said it.
Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and 2. What you know about that? And that made me a better man. Now it's backstage business to shake your hands. I don't do this for Instagram. This is real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what I, yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay, alright, yeah. Okay, yeah. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids,
Damn.
yeah, let's set it straight.
Alright, man, I didn't even realize I'm muted. Alright, so let me start again. So, price broke structure, came down, created support, went up, rejected off of this support, created a resistance here, and then price created a minor support here. If you were going to verify, you could have verified this minor support with a 5-minute time frame. And the fact that we rejected this resistance, you should have been looking for sales, because we have clean traffic here. This is easy sales right over here on gold. If I trade gold, I would definitely take sales, not buys, because we have clean traffic right here. So gold should do what? Head down, hit back here to this support at least. At least that's what gold should do. That's what gold should do. So it sells, not buys. I'm still muted? No, I'm not muted anymore. You took sell but no stop loss. What? Hold on, where was your entry? I'm trying to figure out if you took sell, how you lost this trade, how you lost Oh, you lost on gold. Huh. That's that's weird. If you took sales and you lost, your entry might be the issue then. Your entry must have been the issue. But gold, anyways, I don't like trading gold during London. Even when I was trading it, I never traded it during London, only New York session, because it has more volume during New York. It really doesn't have volume during London. So that's just me. Well, you said reason of him to lose on downtrend by selling is that he took very big lot. The GU trade, oh, I thought I explained it earlier. The GU trade was, I absolutely didn't definitely wait for my setup, number one. Number two, if you guys remember before we took it, I was like, this previous candle has no bottom wick at all. So I'm gonna risk it but minimize my lot size just to manage my risk, and that's what I did. So I kind of knew that we might actually lose this trade. So that was why I closed out of this early, even before it got to our stop loss. So if this bullish candle had flipped and give us a nice top bottom wick and we got in, I definitely would have used my full risk. So that's why I decided to use half risk. 30-minute had no bottom wick. The 1 hour had no bottom wick at all. And then the 1 hour flipped. Even looking at the 1 hour right now, let me delete this trend line. If you were looking to take sales, your sell entry is this 1 hour candle. Just back to this support here at 1215.71, or back to the support down here at 121.300 or so. So that was why we lost it, man. Yeah, in my own opinion, I think your entry was the problem. I mean, whenever you take a loss on a trade, is either um, you had a bad entry, whether you enter too late or you enter too early, um, or you got faked out. Because in my opinion, that's how that's the only ways you can actually lose a trade. You enter too early, enter too late, you got faked out, or it was just completely a bad trade. Now, looking at GF of the 1 hour, it should actually drop at least back to this support here, or to this one at 121 400 or 121 300 at least. But I'm not gonna take this sell because the best entry right here, I already missed it. If I miss the best entry possible, I'm not gonna take that trade. I'm rather gonna wait in this case for price to break this support here and look for my entries then. But overall, though, London session today is definitely not like the past 2 days. So we'll see what tomorrow, what London session is gonna look like tomorrow. But anyways, for those of you that are in the VIP, we're definitely gonna be trading our New York session today. We didn't trade New York session yesterday because we had 2 wins yesterday, so there was no need to trade New York session. So, but today, we're definitely gonna be trading New York session, guys. So be on the lookout for that. Alright, guys. If you need a new broker, the link is down below in the description. The free Discord and the VIP Discord is also down below in the description. So God bless you all, guys. I will definitely see you guys again tomorrow. God bless you all. Stay safe, guys. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all.